This is all about dressing for success, right? How do you showcase yourself to the world? So this is a LinkedIn tutorial, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create a professional profile picture on LinkedIn only using a smartphone. Let's go. All right, so go to a room in your house or somewhere that's completely bare. There's no pictures on the walls. There's no decorations. There's nothing like that, right? Make sure the wall is very plain and make sure that it's white, preferably. And grab your partner, grab a spouse, grab one of your kids, and your cell phone, right? And you want to take the picture with this camera, the rear-facing camera, because it has a better resolution. So snap the picture, and then let's go ahead and head over to step 2. All right, next step is to hop on Canva. So Canva will allow you to remove your background and basically put anything behind that you want to. And this is kind of where the magic happens, right? So if you don't have an account, make sure you sign up. And then as soon as you've done that, come on back. Or if you just want to watch the video through and then go back and do this again, that's cool, right? But you're going to create a design. Next thing you're going to want to do here is I'd recommend a logo. Since it's just going to be a circle on LinkedIn, right? It doesn't need to be anything super fancy or super big. So next you're going to go to Photos right here. And then from your photos, you want to go to Uploads. And then you want to upload a file. Now this file is going to be located anywhere on your computer where you put it. I would recommend also if you have a laptop or a desktop computer, do it on that just because it's easier. But you can still do this on a cell phone too. Just find your photo and then upload it. Okay, just for sake of ease, this is what I use to create my profile photo on LinkedIn. Behind me is a green screen. That's what I have during my videos and stuff too, right? You don't have to have a green screen. Just a plain old white wall is just fine. So drag it out, drag it down. And then you can position this however you want it, right? But I would recommend just something like this, not too much space on top, and just enough, to where it has like a real good headshot. Okay, so here's where the magic happens, right? How do I get rid of that green screen or that wall behind me? Well, you have to essentially take this image of you, right, and extract it from the background. So in Canva, they have a thing called a background remover, right? Now I'm going to go back to these steps so you can follow it a little bit slower this time. So click your image, click Edit Image, and then Background Remover. Now this is going to analyze your background and it's going to automatically remove it for you. All right, cool. So now you got your photo, the background is removed. So what you want to do now is you have to click your image and then right click and then detach your image from the background. So now you can just move this thing around all free. So what we're going to do, let's just put it in the middle for now. And then you can do this a couple of different ways. You could go to background and then find like a gradient or whatever. Or you can go to photos and then let's just say blurred background like I've used in the past. And let's click this. And then right click once it's in here and then set image as background. There you go. Now all you have to do from here is just tweak your photo. But for sake of ease, and I want to make sure that you guys don't get confused by this, is that when you see these crowns, they're the pro version, but you can go up here and then click free and apply your filters. And then all of these are free. So, I mean, you can use any of these as a background. Right? So let's say just a typical professional one would probably be just like a regular image with a black gradient in the background. So let's take a look and see what that looks like. All right, there you go. That's all you have to do. This is so easy. And then all you need to do from this point is to download your image, right? So just go here and then download. And then that will allow you to upload your photo into LinkedIn. So you don't have to just use the black gradient. I would almost recommend picking one that is going to go into the niche of where you are wanting to transition into, right? So if it's marketing, maybe have some cool marketing stuff on the background. If you're going to get into like project management, have like a project management background and so on and so forth, right? And that's not necessary either. The key thing here is that you aren't just uploading a picture of you in your uniform, or you're not just uploading a picture that isn't really great, you know. You want to be able to show the world that you are someone that stands out and you're ready to crush it.